The Gulf of Kutch, with a 300-kilometer coastal stretch from Naulakhi to Okha on the west coast of India in the state Gujrat, is a marine paradise, also supporting multitude of birds who find their nesting sites among the mangroves of the coast. The presence of diverse flora and fauna has prompted the government to declare an area of 457.92 square kilometer as a marine sanctuary in 1980, and further an area of 162.89 square kilometer was declared as Marine National Park in 1982. In recent years, IUCN has declared the park as Category 2 area in the list of important national parks of the world. Among the 42 islands in Marine National Park, coral reefs occur only in 33, and the Pirotan Island harbors the widest range of marine life forms. Colonies of white ibis, grey herons, western reef egrets, housed in the upper reaches of mangroves against the half-lit sky at dawn, are a serene experience while one approaches the Pirotan Island. The beach gets maximum explored in the intertidal zone, especially during the full moon in the month of December and May. As the sea ebbed, the rocks with their myriad inhabitants get exposed to sun and air and onlookers like us. Around 3 kilometers beyond the dead reef areas towards sea in knee-deep waters, the island is hemmed by varieties of live corals, including the luxuriant growth of colorful sponge species. Surprisingly, no mushroom coral is found in these areas. In Gulf of Kutch, around 70 species of sponges, 37 species of reef-building corals, 60 species of crabs and prawns, 200 species of mollusks, 10 species of echinoderms, and about 200 species of fishes are the typical marine biotic community in association with 108 species of brown, green, and red algae. Tiny flower-like, colorful and myriad animals, the flowerpot coral has all of its polyps fully extended normally during daytime, but with all of them being retracted during night. The carpet anemone, relative of coral anemone. In this area, one can easily find the octopus and can observe its agile movement as well as its swift change of body color when disturbed. A remarkable acurid species, the Eubonalia, is also found in coastal waters of this coast. The feather duster worm is another curious example in the reef pool. Narara Tapu, another coral point, is situated about 10 km from Warinar on Jamnagar Okha Road. The whole shoreline is fringed with various species of mangrove plants, mainly the Avicennia, Cereops, Rhizophora, etc., as well as numerous creeks. The slushy, muddy mangrove marshes, with high degree of dissolved oxygen, provide a paradise for marine creatures like colorful sponges, crabs, spotted nudibranchs, sea cucumber, etc. The marine paradise, teeming with these life forms, incredibly close to India's largest conglomeration of oil refineries, is prone to a wide range of industrial and oil pollution. It's next to Andhra Pradesh and thus degrades the reef ecosystem. Stony corals in this area also suffer from rapid tissue necrosis and white disease due to such pollution. Village Ranjitpur near Charakla, on the way to Okha from Jamnagar. Thousands of demoiselle crane in a village pond. Sense of protection of these migratory birds among the villagers is remarkable. Lesser flamingos, spoonbills, and pelicans fishing in knee-deep waters at Okha Ran, a 40-kilometer stretch connecting Charakla to Okha. Laku Point at Bharu Bait, about 3 km from Poshitra, is also an isolated coral eden of the park, and hundreds of coral pools are distributed here and there. The coastline near Poshitra is completely rocky with a little sand flat. One can easily observe the different species of brain coral, plate coral, colorful sponges, large sea anemones, tiny fluorescent anemones, etc. underwater reef at low tide also offers the natural activities of goblet sponge, exposed coral polyps, nudibranchs, and other animals. Crossing the Gulf mouth from Okha, Beit Dwarka is another island. Seashore environment at Hanuman Dandi point of this island is noticeably dry, devoid of mangroves and characterized by long mud-mixed sandy beach with little rocky areas. This area offers the ideal habitat of burrowing starfish, nudibranchs, limpets, tusked shells, sea hare, which speaks of the marine biodiversity.